Hello guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and ride this Segway C80 eMoped to max speed. And here's my thought about it and having it for a week now and what it could be improved and my thought of it and to showing it to you guys. So if you are interested buying this beautiful machine for you to know. See, it's going 29 miles an I don't know if it's a kilometers. I think it's a kilometers. 32 kilometers. So 32 kilometers, pretty quick. Yeah, 32 kilometers. Not bad. We'll do one more speed on this thing. Go again. Just 29, 30, 32. Oh, that's pretty good. Hit like 32. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you my thought of it and what I think of this eMoped C80 from Segway. Everything's so good. The speed is about 21 to 22 miles an hour on this. I think there's a reason for that, and they also add a pedal. You guys can see it right here because of regulations, and I guess Segway want people to have this but not to get get kicked out on the street because it's look like a moped. But anyway, my thought about it is the fact that you should add at least Segway. I could have added a sport mode to it, and also it would be a little bit faster. I could say like 31 to 32 miles an hour added on this one on sport mode. I understand the battery is really designed for long range on this scooter, but this is my thought of it. I'm just showing you guys what I think of it, but everything is good, man. It's a beautiful machine. The quality is really good. It's Segway brand, and I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also check out my next video. I'm gonna ride this on off-road.